Hi! In front of me is Samsung B2710 Solid, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, choose menu, organizer and calendar. Now pick a date and choose options. Then create and appointment or anniversary. I'll go with appointments, I have to tap on it and customize my event however I want to. For example, I can add a title like party. Choose starting hour, ending one, and over here turn on or off alarm about my event. If you wish to turn it on, scroll down and pick when you want to get a reminder. And over here select repeat. If you wish your event to repeat, you can pick one of those options by tapping on the chosen one, like daily. You can also input location over here. Select details. I will go with cake. And then save your event by tapping on the middle button. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can always delete it by choosing options and going with delete over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!